If you're looking for more ways to include oats in your diet, then I have a very special recipe for you all. Yes, my dear friends, let's get started with baking savory oats cups. So for this recipe, you need 1/4 cup of boiled white chickpeas and half cup of oat flour. This is just ground rolled oats. 1/4 teaspoon of flaxmeal, 1/4 cup of spinach. This is rinsed well. 1/4 teaspoon of dried mint leaves powder. I have added many flavors in this recipe, so you can choose whatever you want. 2 tablespoons of melon seeds. 1/4 teaspoon black salt. You may adjust the salt according to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. And this is what I have used for this no oil oats crackers or cups recipe. 1 tablespoon of homemade tahini, that's it. And it lends a distinct flavor and aroma to these savory oats cups. You will love to make this a regular in your tea time. So grind everything together, pulse everything together, and it will be like this. The dough will be like this. It should not be sticky. If your dough is sticky, you may add 1 to 2 tablespoons extra of oats. The dough should not be too sticky. Preheat your air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. You may bake these oats savory cups in your oven, OTG, convection, or even on stovetop, cooker or kadahi. So bake these at the same temperature, but timing might vary from one appliance to another, and as I always say, timing varies from one air fryer to another as well. Now place these in your air fryer basket, and they are ready to go into the air fryer for baking. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. I have baked these at a lower temperature because I wanted them to bake longer and become crispy. So remember, temperature will remain the same, but timing might vary. Let them cool down and look how crispy they are. They are perfectly yummy, nutritious, healthy snack recipe ready. So I hope you enjoyed this healthy snack recipe in air fryer. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.